Cozy 3-bedroom, 1-bath farmhouse located on 109 acres with lots of crop fields and a stream running through Laurel Creek. There have been many updates completed to the home, including new power service, plumbing, laminate floors, ceilings, doors and lighting. The home also features 3 nice porches to enjoy the picturesque scenery. The property has fenced-in garden areas, 2 waterfalls, 2 springs, 38 by 42-story barn, and several outbuildings. This is a great place to call home and raise crops, hay, animals and also be convenient to everything. Many updates.